Hello guys, this is Dharmeshta. Today I will tell you about Section 115 BSA. Section 115 BSA deals with new tax rate for individual and HUF. Only for individual HUF, not for other person. Let's read the section first. Section 115 BSA tax on income of individual HUF. This section inserted by NSF 2020 with from 1st April 2021. Means is available for financial year 2021 and onwards. Subsection 1 of this section provides tax rate. You can read here that up to 250 nil, 250 to 5%, 5 to 750 10%, 750 to 10 15%, 10 to 1250 20%, 1250 to 10 25%, and above 50 30%. Further, it provides that if you want to opt this section, you will require to fulfill condition mentioned in subsection 2. And if you are unable to fulfill condition mentioned in subsection 2, this deduction, this benefit is not available for you in current year and subsequent year also. Subsection 2 provides that if you want to get benefit of this section, the deduction or list of exemption mentioned in this subsection is not available for you. Further, it provides that if any brought forward loss relating to above loss or exemption, and this will not available for you in current year and for further subsequent year also. Subsection 3 of this section provided loss and depreciation mentioned in subsection 2, like additional depreciation, is assumed that full effect given and no further deduction is available under any further subsequent year. Subsection 4 provided the benefit of section 80A for unit located in IFSC is available, subject to further fulfillment of condition. Subsection 5 provides that if you want to opt this section, you are required to exercise option on or before due date of return filing. And if you have income from PGBP, then once exercised, then you can change after for further subsequent year. If you have other income other than PGBP, you can change it later. For this PGBP, if you once change, then the deduction under this section is not available for you. For example, if you claim deduction in this section and after that year you change the method, but say you go to normal tax rate, then you can't go back in this section. Means if you once withdraw this section, then this will not available in future. Now question arises whether this section is beneficial or not for us. For that, I prepared Excel sheet. Let's download it. I will provide link in description. This Excel sheet provides text as per normal rate means old tax rate and the new one 115 deviation. In case of salary income, the deduction like leave travel concession, HRA, official personal allowances to MP, MLA, allowance for income of minor, standard deduction of 50,000, entertainment allowance, professional tax, these are available in all tax rates but not in new one. Same way in case of house property, deduction in respect of interest relating to self-occupied property is available in this old scheme but not in new one. Only for self-occupied property. Rate of property deduction of interest available in both schemes. In case of PGBP income, deduction relating to sales, additional depreciation, investment allowances, tea, coffee, rubber board deduction in respect of extraction of production of petroleum natural gas, scientific research donation to university or institute for scientific or statistical research, cold chain facility like deduction like 35 AD 100% deduction, agriculture extension project expenditure, these are available in all but not in two. In case of other source income, interest on saving bank interest, interest on fixed deposit interest, this deduction relating to this income like 80TTA or 80TTB is available in old one but not for new. And family pension income deduction under section 57 of one third of family pension of 15,000 whichever is less is allowed but not available in new one. Anyway, ATC, CCC, CCD1 or 1A available in old but not in new one. CCD2 is available in both old as well as new. ATD, DD, U, E, EV, G, GGB, GGC, TTA, TTB, income-based deduction is available in old scheme but not in new. But deduction relating to new employee cost mentioned in 80JJAA is available in both and 80LA is available in both new as well as old scheme. It's automatically calculated both the scheme. Rebate if any applicable automatically calculated. You can add figure as per your requirement and call rate. The new will automatically calculate. For example, I am taking national figure ATTTA is automatically calculated. If you are senior citizen, then deduction unless ATTTA is not available, but ATTTB is available, then you are required to add it manually. You can see here the tax in old rate is higher. You are required to insert figure as per your requirement. Thank you. This video is made for education purpose only. This is not a legal opinion on any matter relating to this section. Thank you.